Flight modes. There are 5 flight modes: Mission, Grid, Free Flight, Focus, and Convoy. Mission mode is a point-based flight mode. You can drop points on a map and make Atlas Pro follow those points. Grid mode allows flight through the selected region to capture the full range of all selected areas, just like a mission, except this time it's a field study. Free flight mode lets you take full operational control over the Atlas Pro drone. With touchscreen joysticks, you can now fly anywhere you like. Focus mode is good for orbiting around objects. Set your point of interest, and Atlas Pro will do the rest. Convoy mode lets you follow the RC controller from a distance set by you. Atlas Pro,